The Joplin Police Department released details of an armed robbery that occurred right here behind us just before midnight on Monday night. West Jung Boulevard and Schifferdecker Max stop. Joplin police say a black male entered with a handgun demanding money. His face covered. There are a few distinguishing characteristics. Of course, the eyes and the shoes. After taking an undisclosed amount of money, he left on foot to the west behind the gas station. If you have any information or recognize the individual, contact the Joplin Police Department. Click the bit link for information and updates. In Joplin, I'm Shannon Becker for KOAM News Now and Joplin News First.